Hi, my name's Rowdy and welcome to my channel. When I need to find out how to do something, I always go to YouTube to find out how. My garage door was very noisy, as you can hear. I did a search on YouTube and found this instructional video by Amplify DIY. The link is in the description. First, get some spray-on white lithium grease. I got mine from an electronics store. Make sure you have a rag to catch the drips so you don't make a mess. Basically, you want to spray the lithium grease on any part of the hinge that is in contact with another moving part, and inside the rollers if they are not sealed. Spray a liberal amount of grease in the tension springs at the top. And anywhere else you can see where there's contact between two moving surfaces. Take a rag and clean the rails. Do not lubricate the rails, as the grease can trap dirt and increase wear. As you can see, the rails get quite filthy. I vacuumed the base of the rails as there was a lot of dirt around the base. When you are finished, you should open and close the door a few times to get the grease worked in. The door is much quieter now, and I would definitely recommend watching the instructional video for more detailed instructions.